This video explains the functionality and features of the operator display for the Hoist Lift Truck FR Series lift truck. It should be noted that the operator display unit is fully sealed and watertight. When the vehicle is started, one of two different display screens will automatically be displayed depending on if the vehicle is being used in LP or gas mode, as set with the fuel switch on the control panel. The display screen shown is for a vehicle being used in gas mode. As you can see, there are 4 different engine gauges displayed. The upper left gauge is used to indicate the oil pressure level of the engine. The upper middle gauge is used to indicate the water temperature of the engine. The upper right gauge is used to indicate the operating speed of the engine. And the last gauge shown in the lower right corner is used to display the fuel level of the engine. The only difference in LP mode versus gas mode is that there is no fuel level gauge displayed in LP mode. As well as engine gauges, there are also 3 indicator warnings on the operator display. The first indicator warning shown on the left side of the screen is the parking brake indicator light. This light is illuminated when the parking brake of the vehicle is engaged. If the parking brake is disengaged, the indicator light will disappear. The second indicator warning shown on the right side of the display is a low fuel warning indicator. If the fuel level of the vehicle is low, this light will be displayed. The last warning indicator on the display screen shown in the middle of the screen is a service warning indicator. If this warning indicator illuminates, then it is time for the truck to have its routine preventative maintenance done. When this warning illuminates, please be sure to inform your service department or appropriate personnel. Once the maintenance is completed, the warning indicator will be reset through the functionality of the operator screen by a trained technician. This indicator will illuminate every 250 hours of use. 2 other items displayed on the screen are the weight of the load on the forks or boom in pounds as shown, and the total number of hours used by the vehicle, displayed in the lower center portion of the display screen. In the event of a critical issue with the engine, such as low oil pressure, high water temperature, or engine overspeed, a separate warning indicator screen will appear as shown. This screen will alert the operator of the specific issue. Once this issue is resolved, the default operator screen will reappear as shown. In order for the operator to know the proper capacity of the vehicle, a separate operator screen is used. This screen can be viewed by pressing F1 on the engine gauge display page as shown. In this display screen, the operator can use the function keys of the display to enter in the following information, used to calculate the capacity of the vehicle. Using the F1 key, the operator can enter in the number of counterweight slabs currently fit to the vehicle. This vehicle is designed to be used with anywhere from 0 to 7 counterweight slabs. Once the operator presses the F1 button, the number of slabs will turn green to indicate that the variable is active, and then can be changed by using the up and down arrow keys. Once the operator sets the number of slabs, the next function key can be pressed, or F1 can be pressed again to lock in the value. This is indicated by the number of slabs turning back to white. The second item the operator must enter is the counterweight and rear axle extension. This is the distance that the rear counterweight has been extended. This value is changed in the same fashion as the number of slabs, however, it is changed in increments of 12 inches. If the counterweight is extended in something other than a 12-inch increment, then the operator should select the 12-inch increment that is less than the distance that it is extended. For example, if the counterweight is extended 28 inches, then the operator should select 24 inches. The last item the operator must input using the F3 key is the load center on the forks or boom. Again, this value is in increments of 12 inches, starting at 36 inches and going to 84 inches. If the operator is moving a load at a load center other than a 12-inch increment, then they should select the next closest higher increment. For example, if the load center is 45 inches, then the operator should select 48 inches as the load center. Once all 3 values have been entered, the operator can read the vehicle capacity in pounds and kilograms shown in the center of the display. Once this information is obtained, the operator can go back to the engine gauge display by pressing F4 as shown. Thank you for your interest in the Hoist FR series, and please see our other feature related videos.